In this video, we'll show you how to set up an indoor microgreens garden. Microgreens are small, nutritious greens that you can easily grow at home. They can be grown in small spaces and are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's get started. The first step in setting up an indoor microgreens garden is choosing a location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of natural light, such as a sunny windowsill or a corner of a room that receives lots of light. Make sure the area is well ventilated and has a consistent temperature of around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you'll need to select your containers. Microgreens can be grown in trays, pots, or even on a piece of carpet or felt. Look for containers that are at least 2 to 3 inches deep and have drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. You can also use recycled containers, such as yogurt cups or egg cartons. Now it's time to prepare the soil. Microgreens can be grown in potting soil or a mixture of potting soil and compost. Make sure the soil is moist, but not waterlogged. Fill your containers about 2/3 of the way full with soil, and gently pack it down. Once your soil is prepared, it's time to plant the seeds. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the soil, making sure that they are not too close together. Gently press them into the soil, and cover with a thin layer of soil. Water lightly with a spray bottle, and cover the containers with plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse. Now it's time to wait for your microgreens to grow. Keep the soil moist by watering with a spray bottle every couple of days. After a few days, you should start to see sprouts emerging from the soil. Remove the plastic wrap and place the containers in a sunny spot. Continue to water regularly and watch as your microgreens grow. Finally, it's time to harvest your microgreens. This usually happens about 7 to 14 days after planting, depending on the variety of microgreens you have chosen. Use scissors or a sharp knife to cut the microgreens just above the soil line. Rinse them off and use immediately in salads or on sandwiches for a nutritious and delicious boost. Setting up an indoor microgreens garden is a simple and rewarding project that anyone can do. With just a few containers and some potting soil, you can have a steady supply of fresh and nutritious microgreens right at your fingertips.